All right, so I guess everyone is here now. Okay, hello everyone. Good morning once again. And today we're going to continue what we have reviewed last time in math. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
So last time we did subtraction, subtracting numbers with 2 digits, 3 digits, right? Now, let's study about the properties of multiplication. So, let me just discuss shortly what are the properties of multiplication. Can you still remember some of it? About the properties of multiplication? What are the
Associative property, identity property, zero property. Zero property.
Okay, so you have associative property, you have identity property, zero property, and communicative property. Right, but I'm gonna add one more. Okay, so let's discuss that along the way. So let's go back to the identity property first. If you will say identity property, the rule for the identity property is that a number multiplied by 1 will always yield the number as the answer or product. So you have here the given examples. 6 times 1 equals 6. So whatever you multiply with 1, it will always end up with the number you multiplied with it. So here you have 1. I know that everybody already got identity property, right? Do you guys understand what is identity property? That every number you multiplied by 1, it will always
Be the same answer.
be the same answer. So example, if you multiply 100 times 1, what do you think is the answer?
100.
100. So that's what we call identity property. Identity means itself, the self. Okay, that's what it means. The self. Okay, so the identity of the number you multiply with 1, it will result with the same number. Okay, next. Number 2, you have the communicative property. Right? So what is communicative property? Property states that two numbers multiplied together will always place or produce the same answer. Right? No matter how much you interchange it, the answer and the product will always be the same. Example, you have 12 times 3, 3 times 12. Then you have 7 times 9, 9 times 7. Both of them will show the same answer. Okay. So the rule works for any two numbers being multiplied together. So you have here another example. 12 times 3 equals 36. 3 times 2 equals 36. Can you give me an example of communicative property?
And 5.
Huh?
Wait. 4 times 3. 3 times 3 times 4. 4 times 3.
Yes, 3 times 4 equals, how much is it, Seth? 3 times 4.
12.
12. Okay, 4 times 3, how much is it?
12.
12. So
I want my boogie board. I want my boogie board.
okay, so no matter how much you interchange the two numbers, it will always have the same answer. Next. Okay, so that's what we call commutative property. Next, associative property. What do you mean by this?
What?
So, it's similar with the commutative property. For the associative property, it is composed of three numbers multiplied together, but they're going to have the same answer. But the difference between the commutative and the associative is that in commutative, there's only like two digits to multiply, while the associative, there are three numbers to multiply. Example, as what we can see here, the example, you can say that 100 times 3 equals 100 times 3 equals
100?
300. And then you can also say that um, 3 times 100 equals 300, right?
200.
So for the associative property, you have the given example. No matter how much you interchange the same number, it will always come out with the same answer. So you have here 2. Example given, 2 times 3 times 5 equals 30. 5 times 3 times 2 equals 30. 3 times 2 times 5 equals 30. Okay, they're just the same. Do you got it, guys? The difference between associative and commutative?
Yes.
Huh? What's the difference between the two of them?
The associative is like 2 times 3 times 5.
I'm asking about the definition.
The definition.
Yes.
What was that again? What was the question?
What's the difference between the associative and the commutative?
It's similar to community associative property. It's
Mm-hmm.
similar.
They both are the same. So
Yes.
if you will have the commutative, anyone? La.
You have three numbers multiply. You can multiply.
Okay, so for the commutative, there are like two numbers to multiply, two numbers to multiply, like 33 times 2 or 100 times 2. It's just like they have like 2 points. Okay, example, 2 times 3, like that, or 3 times 2. While the associative, there are three properties or three numbers to multiply. Okay, so you have here 2 times 3 times 5, first, second, and third. Whilst the commutative, it's just first and second, no more third. Okay, do you got it? Alright, we'll see when you listen or not, because I'm gonna give revisit work after this one. Okay, so this is the third one that I wanted to discuss. You have the what we so called distributive property. So distributive property, when you have an equation such as 2 times 3 plus 4, the answer will be the same whether or not. So you choose to solve it the way it's written or to distribute before solving. So you have 2 times 3, then 2 times 4. Okay, so you have the same answer. 2 times 3, how much is it?
6. 6.
Okay, so you have example 2. Example, the given here, this is how you solve it. 2 times 3 times 4. So 2 times 3, it's different. And then you have 2 times 4, it's also different. It's distributing the number. So 2 times 3 equals 6, right? And then 2 times 4 equals 8. So 6 plus 8 equals
14.
Okay.
Teacher, we done this in grade 1 because it was familiar to me.
So this is the correct answer. This is the answer. Right. So last one we have is what we call the zero property of multiplication. Same goes with identity. Identity multiplication. For zero property of multiplication, whatever number you multiply with 0, it will always be
Zero.
0. So this is what we call the zero property of multiplication. All right, are you guys ready for the sit work now? Kindly get your whiteboard. If you don't have one, you can use the chat box.
Chat box.
Okay, number one. Number one. Number one, you have 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. Let's see who got the correct answer. Okay, Adrian got the correct answer of this. Ninya. Right, the correct answer is 5. Yes, the correct answer is 5. This is so easy. Next. Which two related addition facts can help you solve 13 minus 7? Which two related addition facts can help you solve 13 minus 7? So which do you think shows the same answer when you solve 13 minus 7?
Addition can help
Have I discussed this one?
Teacher, I already answered mine.
Me too.
Okay, let's see. Whiteboards up. Whiteboards up. All right, the correct answer is
A and B.
A and B. Okay, A and B. Next, number 3. So you have to count back what is the number that is less, that is 2 less. So you have 4 minus 2.
Two less. What does that? Two less.
What is the number that is 2 less? You have to count backwards. You have here the clue given.
Well, that is less. That is 2 less.
You have there the given clue. Okay,
Teacher.
whiteboards up. Right, Alessandra got the correct answer. Adrian, Aldez, Seth. Okay, the correct answer is still the same. So you have here 4 minus 2 equals 2. Next, number 4. Part is missing in the equations. Find the missing part.
7.
So what do you think is the missing number?
Again. Plus 4 plus that equals 7.
Okay, so how will you get the 4 plus blank equals 7? So what number do you think is missing? And then you then multiply 7 minus 4 and provide the answer. They have the same number.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Done, teacher.
Okay, whiteboards up. Let me see who got the correct answer. All right. Pyron got the correct answer and also Seth, Johan, Abby, Eliza, Sean, Zachary, and also those who posted their whiteboard, their answers in the chat box. It's all correct. Okay. Next, Red and Monica have 10 cubes in all. Red has 7 cubes. How many cubes does Monica have? So choose the equation that shows the story. So which do you think is the correct answer? Please write down the number.
Okay. Mm. 7, 3.
So what do you think is the correct answer? The choices are just here.
Can we pick 2 or 1?
Huh?
Can we pick 2 or 1?
Of course, 1. Really? Red and Monica have 10 cubes in all. Red has 7 cubes. How many cubes does Monica have? Okay, Seth, Zachary, Pyron got the correct answer. Also, Andre, Abby, Johan got the correct answer. Okay, some of you answered 10 plus 7 equals 17. Alright, so how did you guys solve the correct answer? So look at here. As we all know that Red and Monica have 10 cubes in all, it means all in all they've got 10 cubes because of the word all. Okay, now Red got 7 cubes already. So he already has 7 cubes. So that's gonna be like 10 minus 7. Why minus? Because why we use subtraction? Because it's asking how many. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. So Monica has 3 cubes. All right, you guys got it? We don't use addition in this, okay? Next, which equation shows a way to find 14 minus 8? So what is the other way to find the same answer of 14 minus 8? So you have here the choices. How much is it? 14 minus 8, how much? Huh?
14 minus 8.
If you will have 14 minus 8, 14 minus 8, how much is it?
6.
Okay, you have 6. Now, you then start solving. So, 14 minus 4, how much is it?
10.
Ah? Okay, so you have 10. Do they have the same? No. How about 14 minus 4 minus 4? How much is it? 10 minus 4. 14 minus 4 equals 10. Then you have 10 minus 4. 6. Okay, they've got the same. How about this one? 10 minus 4. How much is it?
10 minus 4
Equals
6. 5.
6 minus 8. What's the answer?
It's 2. 2.
2. But this is going to be negative 2. Because 6 is smaller than 8. Okay? So, if we're going to interchange that, it's just 2. Okay, so the correct answer is this one, the second number. Okay, second number. Who got the correct answer? Who got the same answer?
Me.
Okay, good job. Good job to those who got the correct answers. Next, take a look at here. Which two equations match this array? So, which do you think is the correct formation of this? So 2 times 4 equals 8. 4 times 2 equals 8. 2 times 6 equals 12. Or 6 times 2 equals 12. So which do you think is the correct answer for these two? Yes?
4 times 6 equals 8. 2 times 6 equals 12. Done, teacher.
Okay, let me see your answers.
Here. Why is this white? I'm just kidding.
Okay. Right, so the correct answer is both. It can be 2 times 4 or 4 times 2. Both are correct.
I write 1 and 2, teacher. I write 1 and 2.
Okay, now let's continue again. Let's skip that part and let's go directly to this part. Right. Okay, here. All right, so which property of multiplication is shown below? So you have 0 times 27 equals 0. A commutative property, B identity property, C associative property, or D zero property.
Done, teacher.
Whiteboards up, let me see your answers.
D.
Right. The correct answer is letter D. Next. Which property of multiplication is shown below? 17 times 103 equals 113 times 17. 17 times 113. A. Commutative. B. Identity. C. Associative. Or D. Zero property. What do you think is the correct answer? Whiteboard's up now. All right. The correct answer is letter A. It's a commutative property. Next. So which property of multiplication is shown below?
Identity property.
Whiteboard's up now. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. It's identity property. Alright, so let's just continue the rest later. Do you have any questions about the property of multiplication?
No, sir.
You sure? Okay, good work. Alright, so see you again later. And okay, let's say goodbye for now. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. See you later. Goodbye.
Bye, Abby.